holds immense promise for fields such as materials science and drug discovery. It can simulate the behavior of molecules with incredible accuracy, leading to the development of new materials with unprecedented properties, such as superconductors that operate at room temperature. Beyond these specific applications, both AI and quantum computing have the potential to revolutionize countless industries. From finance and transportation to energy and manufacturing, these technologies are poised to transform the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. Section 4. Quantum Supremacy, a new era of computing. The term quantum supremacy refers to the point at which a quantum computer can solve a problem that is practically impossible for any classical computer to solve in a reasonable time frame. This milestone was achieved in 2019, when Google's Sycamore quantum processor performed a calculation in just 200 seconds that would have taken the world's most powerful supercomputer thousands of years. While quantum supremacy marks a significant step forward in the development of quantum computing, it's important to note that we are still in the early days of this technology. Current quantum computers are relatively small and error-prone, and their development is hindered by significant technical challenges. However, the potential of quantum computing is undeniable. As research progresses and technology matures, we can expect to see even more impressive breakthroughs in the years to come. Section 5. The Future. A Quantum Leap Forward. Looking ahead, the future of AI and quantum computing is full of possibilities. As these technologies continue to evolve, we can expect to see them converge and complement each other in increasingly powerful ways. Imagine AI algorithms running on quantum computers, capable of solving problems that are currently beyond our wildest imaginations. However, this technological revolution also comes with its own set of challenges. Ensuring the ethical development and deployment of AI is crucial, as is addressing the potential societal impacts of widespread automation. Similarly, the development of quantum computing raises concerns about data security and the potential for misuse. Despite these challenges, the potential benefits of AI and quantum computing are too great to ignore. By embracing these technologies responsibly and harnessing their power for good, we can create a future where humanity thrives in a world transformed by the incredible power of these technological marvels.